Hi friends, this is your girl Josie. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today I'm going to cast off my sinking fund again. I love this wallet to the T. It just saved me a lot of stress. Yes, because it helped me anytime I need something. I just turn into this wallet and justice is made. So I love it. If you don't have sinking fund, it's very easy to set it up. Sinking fund is the mini fund you save towards things that are coming up ahead of time. If you are like me and your money is on a rock, it means that you have to really do something about it, right? So today we're going to cast off my sinking fund. For everybody who have been following me know how my sinking fund look like. For those who are new, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. I love you guys so much. So this is all my sinking fund. This is really a lot. But like I said, it helped me not to stress out when it comes to my money. So I would take that. If I cannot be a millionaire yet, and I can get some financial peace, financial non-stress, then I would take that any time of the day. So this is the singing fund is a lot, but as I do, you guys will know where everything is going. Let's count the money first. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm doing great by God's grace. I'm fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's $27. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 120. So that will be 147. So we do have 147. Yay, great. So let's see where everything is going. For my birthday is getting $15. We are starting the birthday train again. So next year, normally in May, I do have 5 birthdays. Yes, 5 birthdays in May. Is that not crazy? Even 6. There are 10 of us and 6 of us celebrate our birthday in May. So I really have to start kicking it to get it ready for May. So I do have 6 months to get roughly about $300 in this envelope so that we can celebrate everybody's birthday. Back to school is just getting $5. So for back to school, we are saving gradually till August. When it's back to school time, I have all the kids in school. So there are 6 of the kids. All of them are in school. Valentine's Day is getting $5. Every Valentine's Day is a precious day for us. Me and my husband, we do give ourselves a treat. Beginning of the year with the stress and everything, Christmas, everything. So Valentine's Day is the day we go out and be like refresh. We leave, we talk about what is going on in the year. We kind of refresh ourselves. We already begin the new year. A lot of things are being scheduled and at times it can be torn on us. So we go out and just laugh, forget about all those things and be like, okay, we are back in reality. So family fun is getting $3. I'll do 3 for family fun. Family fun, I'll do just $3 here. That one is when like they are coming on a fall break right now, so we're going to spend from this wallet. Blessing is getting $8. That one too, I'm saving gradually. I'm going to save random numbers like $8, $3. It's just okay. Self-care is getting $5. Christmas is getting 15. Christmas is coming. Are you guys ready? It left it about, I think, 10 weeks for Christmas. Are you ready? Do you have your money ready for Christmas? Me, apart from this one, I'm also doing a challenge that I'm hoping to end probably by beginning of next month. So that I'll use that one to as Christmas trash. For HM trash, I'm gonna do $5. I need about $600 by March. So RS license, I'm doing $7. I have one coming up in December that I have to renew. Car maintenance is getting $5. We just fixed one of our car and my tire is on fire. So I don't know, something has to be done with the cars. Car registration is getting $5. We have up to February to renew our car registration. So I'm piling up the money. When it comes to leave and coloring, I'm saving $5. They normally will charge us about $150. Miscellaneous, I will do $15. Miscellaneous is one of my favorite envelopes. Everywhere in my envelope journey, I have miscellaneous because in case I don't plan for anything, miscellaneous envelope is what I used. So it's my favorite. For social media, I will do $15. Other holidays, I'm going to, let me see, maybe I will do $5. Let's get $5. Okay, and these are the envelopes for each of us. So each of us are going to get $2 in our envelope. And you may think that $2 is nothing. It really adds up. I have been saving $2 for us for a long time, and it really, like when we want to use it, you realize that, oh, this is the amount of money. So I love putting money in the envelope. Like my boy, for instance, Percy, the first one, get money a lot. He has a football coming up. He need money to buy lunch because he's staying over, all those things, and it really, really helps. Did I take more than that? Let me see. That I have is that. So what I'll do is then I only have $3 left. What I'll do is that I'll go back and put it in my miscellaneous. Yeah, so these are all my sinking funds. Super excited about this. So thank you for watching me. I really appreciate you for joining me. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye.